Hello everyone, welcome you all in live session, and in today's live session we are going to work with a 3D designing, and we are going to make a sports car. So let's not do the delay, and I'm going to share my screen with you all to see what we are actually going to make. As you can see the cover picture, you can design your sports car according to your choice. First thing is you will open Tinkercad. It is actually a 3D designing software. I'll copy the link and paste it in the chat box so that you can all open this link from the chat box. Okay, after coming on the Tinkercad, what we need to do is we will go to login. First, you will do the login and make sure you will do login with educator account. Otherwise, with students account, it will find, it will ask you a lot of details. So login with the educator account, and now you will come to create section. So this will be the home page. After login, you can see. First, you can click on the create, then we'll go to the 3D design part. So once you are on the 3D designing, you can design a lot of stuff. We have some more projects based on 3D designing. You can check our video. So we made some 3D designing of robots, houses, cities, cake. So yeah, today we are making sports car because most of my student likes sports car to design. So that's why I'm designing it. For designing a sports car, what you actually need, it's very simple and easy. First, you will take a box and you will align it as in form of base of the sports car. So I'm going to take the parameter as 60 for the box. 60 is very less. Let me make it 100 because I want to make the body of my car. And this should be 60, let's say. It will be 50. Okay. And now I'm changing it into the color that my sports car I want. So I'm taking this color for my sports car. Afterwards, I will take another box, and this time the parameters must be bigger than this one. So this was 100. Here I'm taking 5, 5, that is 110. So 110 will be the length, and over here it was 50. So I'm taking 60. So everywhere I'm taking a 5, 5 thing space. Okay, like the width and also this one. So the same color I want. And now I'm going to align both. I'll press shift key and click on the particular shape and do a line. I'll click on the center dot for the alignment. Yeah, it's done. Now I'm holding this part and moving it a little bit down because I want this to be smaller. Okay, and what about height of this part? First, I'm just moving it over here. So this part, I want the height should be less. It should be 5, let's say, because, yeah, that's fine. Now I will do the alignment again. Center. And I will hold this part and move it a little bit above. If I'll see, yes, it's perfectly fine. And for this part, I think it's fine. Yeah, it's all right. Okay. What next is I will do grouping for both of the part. This is my basic body of the car. Now I want to make the wheels of the car. So for the wheels, I'm taking a cylinder. I'm giving it a vertical turn of 90 degree. This should be of black color, and I will make the height, that's 10. Yeah. Now I'll do copy paste. I'm moving it, and this should be little bit smaller. So I'm making it 15, and this height I'm making as um 8, suppose, and this should be then 10. Let's see, and okay, this is 10, that is fine. And width, I want according to this one, let's see what is the width. It's 10, and over here it's 10. It's all right. Now I will change the color of the wheel. The small wheel will be different, but it is little bit smaller than the actual one. So I'm making it 15. Also, this will be 10. Let's see, 10 or 15. That will be fine, better. And I will make some grayish shade so that it will have some shade in the wheel. This gray I will take. Now I'll click on this wheel, and I'll do the alignment. Center, center, center. This looks absolutely perfect. Now what I'm going to do, I'll just select both, and I will do paste, and I'm moving this wheel over here and joining it to this part. But before that, I need to group both. But when you do group, the color combination, everything will be, mixed up. So it's all right. I'm doing grouping right now, but afterwards, after making it, I will do ungroup. Okay. Now I'm selecting this one, do the grouping as well for this part, and moving it over here. But I need to check the part. I will move this part little bit here, and it should be aligned properly. For this, I will open a top view, and I can see, okay, I think that's perfectly aligned. Over here I want, and it's already there. And let me see. Yeah, that's perfect. Now I will do paste again, and I'll move this part of the wheel to the other side, exactly like this way. And again, I'll do paste of this part and moving it to this side. I can see the graph, and according to graph, you can arrange your wheels. I think my wheels are perfectly arranged to the car. Now, what next? So these are the wheels of my car, and this is the main part. Okay, let me see the front view of my car. The next part is I will add small detailing of my car. So I want to make surface of my car. So for making that, I will take roof, or no. I will take this rectangle again, and let me check the parameter again. It's 16. Okay. So the width I will make it as 60 of this box. And I'm changing the color to yellow as it was yellow. I need to group all the part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll group all of them. It will be in same color, no problem. Later, we will change it to, like when we do ungroup, it will back to the normal color. Now I will select this body and this one. I will do align center, center, shift this, align center dot of this line, center dot of this line, and center dot of this line. It's all right. Now I'm just moving it little bit up, up, like this way. I will move it to the top view, and I want to align it on this line. As you can see that this one of the graph. Okay, so you will align this thing here. Let me delete this. Okay, it's coming above. Okay, if I will see, the width is more. So this was like, it's now telling me the total one, but I guess it was 50, not 60. So I'm making it 50. Oh, where is that? I'm making it 50, not 60. And now I will align this part on the roof like this way. And if I'll see the top view, yeah, that's perfect. That's actually not perfect. So you have to check every angle while making, okay? For more details, you can check my previous videos of 3D designing. I give every small detail there. Okay, this is perfect. Now what I want that this should attach like this way with this. So I first move this part over here. I need the rotation of 90 degree, and I need the rotation of perpendicular, like from top 90 degree. Yes. And now I will give the width to this part as 50. And I am arranging this part over here. But what is the height of this part? It's 20. It's 20. Okay. And I need to give the width according to the car one. So that's why I'm moving it. And I'm moving this part near to it. Let me see the top view. It should be like this, and it should be like this, I guess. Yeah, and it should be moving side and little bit over here. So now this part you need to arrange accordingly. I'll see the view and I'm arranging it. See, so I think this is perfectly not fine. I'm moving it little bit. Uh, uh, mm, it's 49. It should be 50. And I think this is good design, so I'm not going to change this one. And it's perfect. So I'll see from the front view, and this is perfect. Now what I want is that this both should be grouped together. So I will do and group together, and this should be the yellow part. Okay, that's great. Now I will make duplicate of this part for making it transparent. I will do this horizontal one as 180, and I'm moving it little bit this side for making it transparent. But this should be smaller. So it's 53. I want it smaller size like this one, so that it should look like a proper bar. Okay, got it. And now this will be transparent. Okay, that's absolutely fine, I guess. Yeah. And for the back part also, I need to shift it little bit. Side, like this way only. Yes. It should be little bit here. Should be little bit here. And now it should be little bit down to the 15. And it should be little bit down to the 15. Perfect, I think. Yeah. Or move it more this side, or this side. And this part should be little bit thin, and from this side also should be little bit. Yeah, now it's perfect. So what I'm going to do next is that I want to make one more arrangement, and I will add the small detailing on the car. So I'm just moving it over here. Vertical rotation of 180. Let's see. No, it should be 90 then. And now the height will be very less, like this way. And I want this part to be backside, so I'm making rotation of 90. Yes, and this thickness should be smaller, like this way. And the width will be 50, as you all know, it's 50. And I'm moving it onto the car. So let me see. The height will be less. This will be more. And I'll move it on this. Yes. Let me see the view. It's away from the surface. So I need to move it onto the surface. Okay. You also have to make sure about this thing. And When I'm moving it, this part will be here, here, okay, here, like this way. It should be little bit above, back to the front, from the top. It should be like this. Yeah, perfect. Okay, what is the next part? Next part is I want to set the headlights for my car. So I'm just moving it a little bit backside. And this should be a little bit front side because this looks very, you know, 17 should be 17. Perfect. Okay. So for the headlights, same. I'm just taking a box, nothing else, and moving it back, and I'm giving it a parameter that is 10. And over here it should be 5. It should be 5. That will be of yellow color. Moving it up, moving it here, moving it down, and fit. Now duplicate. And this part needs to fit over here. So I think these are the headlights. Great. Works perfectly fine. Now one more thing. This part is just 90. And the rotation of this one will also be 90. And this should be of 5, 5, 5. And I'm going to move this part over here to the base. Let's see. I need to move it little bit this side and bring it up. This is, I guess, perfect. No, 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 don't make any changes in this. It's 5, I'm making it 10. Oh, okay, that's perfect. And I guess your sports car is ready. Yeah. And one more thing, these lights should be to the front side as well. So I will simply paste them and move it to the front side as well. Yeah, perfect. So this is perfect. Now I need to ungroup some things. First, I'll do this ungroup. Okay. I will do the wheels ungroup. Okay, one is remaining. So this one will also be ungroup. And yeah, my sports car is ready. See, this looks absolutely perfect. See the wheels. It looks like that my sports car is actually moving. Yeah. So, you can even make changes with the colors and everything. But you can make very good and different design with Tinkercad, and it's easy to make. And I really like the view shade I made. You can even also make the kind of view shades of your Tinkercad software. Everything is perfectly fit and fine, and this is your final result of the sports car. See how good it looks like. Everything. Like you can even, make your dream car. That's why the software is given so that you can execute your design so well. This is the easy one. You can try with the toughest one, right? So, okay, everyone. Now I have my sports car ready and I'm ready to go. So, yes, we will meet in the next live session. Till then, enjoy making, enjoy learning, and bye bye.